look how nicely those old resistance areas became support. See those red horizontal lines? It worked out really well. There's no reason to think it won't continue to work out. So I'd be buying this probably around 42. However, I shouldn't say that. I would think about buying it at around 42, maybe a couple of ticks above it. But the reason I'd say I'd think about buying it because we know where the support is. Why am I not saying I would definitely buy it? What's missing from the equation? I know what the risk is, but what's missing? Resistance. What I would do is go to a daily chart. Okay? And okay, we're at new highs here, so what I would do is go to a weekly chart, and I'd be looking at these couple of weeks here. What I normally do, a little trick also, is if I see a resistance area here on a weekly chart, I will sometimes blow this up to a daily chart to see, if there's any candlestick signals. Okay, the way I'd be trading this is, this is a market I think that's too strong to short, but too close to resistance to buy. All right? So it's one of those times you stand aside. What I'd be looking at to the risk-reward is I would see this kind of a zone as resistance. And remember, and I use this all the time, the change of polarity. So we have a zone of resistance there. That would be my first support area. It's fascinating because a lot of people will do that. It's a very common mistake, especially among the newer traders. They'll look at a prior support area, and they'll say, well, it was support back here. Once the market breaks the support, it's not valid anymore. So,
if you're looking at fading a stock or going short on a play, the best odds place to do that is going to be after the stock has reached the edge of its trading range, right? For example, in Sears Holding, we had a 4-point range from low to high. That's what it did in today's market. Best odds place for a fade would be off of that 4 points. I like going back and forth between Steve's analysis and mine because they work. It's hand in glove. This stuff's complementary. All right, give yourselves a round of applause. All right.